lace. Look at that cute lace. Oh, nice. Okay, I want to try that. I want to try that. Using this and not cutting. Last time we did this pink. Great. This time's led to silver or gold. Maybe gold. Looks good. What do I have? I have that. Great, someone just trimmed it. So freaking thin, everyone. So easy to either encapsulating with condensed glue gels, or you can encapsulating with the liquid and powder. So I'm gonna pick this one up. Using my tinter brush, just pat it down. Really cool though. And it's already staying there because I'm placing right on the top of condensed glue gels, and I am going to trim it. You can trim it later, you can trim it first. It doesn't affect anything at all. And whatever I have left, I will using my file and then just buff it off. Okay, wait. Here for 60 seconds. It looks stunning though. I'm gonna put some crystal on it. Okay. Different. And if you want to add some of the glitter, which is glitter that we did it yesterday, if you want to add some of this on it, I think it looks good too. Like this one, I used it yesterday. So freaking stunning. Hi Irene, how are you? Hey Money Bags, how are you? Whitney, will it hold? Yes, it will. Is the condensed glue gel will hold that down. It's okay. We have a few minutes left for the Instagram. If it going like ends, we're gonna just like come right back. Looks good. Not bad at all. Oh, really stunning. Okay, now condensed glue gels again. I would do a good layer on the top to cap this. I love this really thick condensed dense glue gel. It will hold down a lot of even encapsulating. This will be, I'm gonna I'm gonna cap this really nicely, and then we're gonna buff that extra on the edges off. Great. So no web top coat. If you keep watching me doing so many live and I keep using a condensed glue gel, no web top coat, precision glue, that is the 3-step methods to keep your crystal down in one place, really like stay in the concrete, not going anywhere, unless you really want to like take them off. And we also have the question, how can we take the crystal off? I'm going to show you. This is super freaking stunning though. Where my other colors is? Can I have that green? Can I have this green right here? strong green right there. This is the green one. I do need the smaller size too, please. Just so. Okay. Great. This time I'm gonna using my gold beads. I'm using that shape right here. Oh, hold on. I knew it.
Be right back.
Hey, Instagram. Welcome back. I really want to get the bars. Let me see, I have a smaller bar right there. Okay. Can Instagram see? Hello, Instagram. Welcome back. How everyone doing today? Just want to make sure we're checking on every single of you to make sure you're all doing great. Hold on, hopefully Facebook can see it. If you don't want any of this beads, it's gonna be totally great and you'll be done. But if you want the beads to be on it, and this is really it's up to you and the clients. Great. I think one more beads on this one and I'll be good. And dry it again. And don't worry about the extras on the sides with all the mess. Bless you. Wait, I'm gonna check it off the camera and adjusting it quick before I gear under the LED lamp. Looks really good. I think I check it and adjusting them looks really good. I'm gonna gear under this LED lights for 60 seconds. Hold on a sec. It's so quiet today. I feel like I'm so quiet though. Do you feel so? Maybe I'm too focused on what I'm doing. I was so focused though, everyone. It feel like it's our focus or just my other phone to viewing it. It's much better. I'm putting on the size. Up. I did it. Spills again. Maybe. Okay, now it spills on me. Not worry about it. Clean it later. We did this tree now. It's really stunning. This is really stunning. It's cute. So just ignore this. We're gonna shape it. It's actually really nice and secure now. And we're gonna shape that on the